Speed up. Speed up. Meaning, to increase speed.
The driver sped up to overtake the truck.
Slow down. Slow down. Meaning, to reduce speed. You need to slow down when approaching a school zone. Put in. Put in. Meaning, to place something inside. He put in the key and turned it. Take out.
Take out.
Meaning, to remove something from a place. She took out the trash before leaving. Fill up. Fill up. Meaning, to make something full. She filled up the glass with water. Empty out. Empty out. To remove all contents from something. He emptied out the contents of his backpack. Show up. Show up. Meaning, to appear, or arrive. She showed up late to the meeting.
Go away. Go away.
Meaning, to leave, or disappear. The cat went away after we gave it some food.
Break up. Break up.
Meaning, to end a relationship. They decided to break up after 3 years. Get together. Get together. Meaning, to meet, or gather. Let's get together this weekend for a barbecue. Find out.
Find out. Meaning, to discover, or learn something.
She found out the truth about the incident. Cover up.
Cover up.
Meaning, to hide the truth. They tried to cover up the mistake. Look up. Look up. Meaning, to search for information, or improve. You can look up the meaning of the word in the dictionary. Look down. Look down. Meaning, to view from a higher position, or to disdain. She looked down from the balcony. Turn up. Turn up. Meaning, to increase volume or arrive. Can you turn up the volume? Turn down. Turn down. Meaning, to decrease volume, or reject. He turned down the job offer.
Set up. Set up.
Meaning, to establish, or arrange. They set up the tent in the backyard. Tear down. Tear down. Meaning, to dismantle, or destroy. The old building was torn down. Bring in. Bring in. Meaning, to introduce, or invite. They brought in a new consultant for the project. Take out. Take out.
Meaning, to remove, or extract.
He took out the old batteries and replaced them with new ones. Move in. Move in. Meaning, to start living in a new place. They moved into their new house last week. Move out. Move out.
Meaning, to leave a place where you live.
She moved out of her apartment after graduation. Pick up. Pick up. Meaning, to collect, or lift. Can you pick up the kids from school? Drop off. Drop off. Meaning, to deliver, or leave someone, or something. She dropped off the package at the post office.
Run into.
Run into. Meaning, to meet unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend at the market. Get away. Get away. Meaning, to escape, or leave. They got away for a weekend trip.